name is Sam, and I'm a PM on the software-defined networking team. Today I'll be showing you a demo of how to deploy our upcoming multi-site feature that's coming with Windows Server 2025 and Azure Stack HCI 23H2. Today I'll be showcasing the deployment process through Windows Admin Center. With SDN Multisite, you now have native L2 and L3 connectivity across multiple physical locations for your SDN deployments. With this, you can now migrate workloads across physical locations without having to reconfigure IP addresses or network policies. For our demo today, we'll have two clusters, SDN 0304 and SDN 1314. These two clusters will represent server clusters at two separate physical data centers. SDN 0304 will be our primary site, and SDN 1314 will be our secondary site. Before I show you how to enable multi-site, I'd like to show you that our secondary site currently has no virtual network resources. This piece of information will come in handy later in the demo. Now let's shift to our primary site, cluster SDN 0304, to set up our peering. Before I enable multi-site through our primary location, I'd like to note that on this site we have a virtual network called test. To begin peering across locations, all you have to do is go to your primary site, find your new network controller tab in your toolbar, and hit the New button. From there, provide the necessary REST information for your secondary site. Once peering is enabled, you'll see your secondary site added to your window as confirmation. Once peering is initiated, resources such as virtual networks or policy configurations that were once local to one of your sites now become global resources and are synced across locations. In our example, we have virtual network in our primary location. This information should now be updated to our secondary site as well, which, if you can remember, didn't have any resources before peering. Now let's shift back to our secondary site, cluster SDN 1314, to confirm that our peering was successful. As you can see, at our secondary location, our primary site has been added to the list of network controllers. Additionally, you can see that our virtual network that was once at our primary site is now at our secondary site as well. With information like virtual networks and policies being shared across locations, multi-site is able to support seamless migration of our workloads, as well as providing a unified policy management system for your networking needs.